name is Jim Fagan. I was referred to you by Maids Solutions, Paula, over there. My bathroom's exceedingly dirty because I've had health problems. And she said you can handle this kind of thing. Okay, and my number here is on the 7715 Court, Alexandria in Kingstown. It's 703-7585.
Good afternoon, Mr. Hunter. This is Letty with Maids Solution. I am the assistant to Paula Garrison. We're having an issue with Mr. James Fagan. I think you already helped him out one time. He's trying to get a hold of you, and if he has not gotten a hold of you already, he will be. He needs your assistance again. His name is James Fagan, Fagan. If you need any information from me, I'm at the office, 703-971-5753, or you can shoot us an email at info@maidsolutions.com. Thank you. Have a great day.
Nothing beats 100 clean home.